What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can allow camera access on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to on your Instagram app, just like this. After going to on Instagram, you have to open up your camera just like this. If this option is showing on your mobile phone, you can gradually click on this option while using the app, then your camera access will be allowed on Instagram. If you don't see this option, what you need to do, you have to go back and you have to go back to on settings like this. After going to on settings, you have to scroll all the way down and click the options like this apps. Then you have to find out the Instagram app, like here you can search pretty much here like Instagram. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I am going to show you, so that you can allow camera access on your Instagram. So after doing so, you have to go to on permissions in the second option right here. After going to on permissions, you have to search for camera, like here, camera not allowed. So we need to move to this or camera option on allowed here. So what we need to do, you have to click on camera. After clicking on camera, you have to click on the first option like here, allow only while using the app. After doing so, you have to go back all the way down and pretty much close all the apps that are opening. After doing so, you have to go to Instagram back. Then what you want to do, you have to open up your camera again just like this. You have to click on camera. So we can see the camera access has already been granted. So this is how you can give access on your camera on Instagram. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.